Hello, little girl.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sophie.
Sophie. Sophie, how old are you?
I'm good.
How are you today?
I'm teacher. How are
How?
you, teacher?
I'm very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
How old are you?
I'm teacher.
8 years old. Very good. Give me five. Now, please tell me what color do you like?
I like pink.
You like pink. Very good. And what fruits do you like?
I like
What fruits do you like? I like apples. What
I
fruits do
like
you like?
banana.
You like bananas?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. And what's your favorite animal?
I like chalk.
You like dogs?
Yes.
Dogs are my favorite animals. Rabbits are my favorite animals. Hmm. Your favorite animals are dogs?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what animals do you see on the farm? What animals do you see on the farm? What animals do you see on the farm? I see a dog, cat, ducks, chickens, horses, pigs, sheep,
Pink.
goats.
Pink.
I see pigs
I
on
see.
the farm. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And what animals do you see at the zoo?
Mm,
At the zoo, I see
rabbits.
rabbits at the zoo. Rabbits are on the farm.
Snake.
Snakes, very good. I see
Zebra.
zebras, very good. I see zebras and snakes at the zoo. What about alligators? All right.
Alligator.
Okay. Now here we have some cards. Okay, I'll show them to you, and you tell me what is it. Okay.
Yes.
Ready? All right.
Go.
Here we go.
Now,
Loud.
louder. Loudest.
Very good. This one.
Fast. Faster. Faster.
Very good.
High, higher, highest.
Very good.
High, low,
Very good.
strong, weak.
Good job. Now speak up. Okay.
Yes. Right,
Race.
race. Big, bigger, biggest.
Very good.
Top, middle, bottom.
Very good. Okay. Now, do you like to sing songs? You like to sing songs?
Yes.
Okay. Now, here we have a song, What Comes After 10. Okay?
Yes.
Can you please sing this song, please? Go. It's okay. Sing, just sing.
I know my number 1 to 10, but what come after that? We chat, we one, we were the number, and we care again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Hmm,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we're done.
very good. I know my numbers
1
1
through
through
10,
10, but
but
what
one
comes
comes
after
after 10.
10? We
We
just write one
before
before
the
the
number,
number
and
and
we
we
count
count
again.
again. Very good. Now, can you please tell me what comes after 10?
11,
11. Very good. And what comes before 11?
10,
Very good. Before 11 is
10.
10. Good job. Okay. Do you know your alphabets A, B, C, D? Hmm? A, B, C, D. What comes after C? What comes after C? A, B, C.
E,
What comes after C?
D.
D. Very good. Okay. Now, can you please uh, tell me what day is it today?
Tuesday. E.
Mhm.
Monday.
Monday? No. Today is
Friday.
Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, okay? And what day will it be tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Will be
Will
tomorrow will be Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday?
be Wednesday.
After Wednesday is Thursday.
Thursday.
Do you know 7 days of the week? 7 days of the week. Can you please name them? Monday,
Monday. Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Friday. Saturday.
and Sunday. 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Okay. Which day do you like the most? Which day do you like the most?
Mm,
I like Monday the most because I don't go to work.
and a Friday. But
You like Friday the most? Very good. Why do you like Friday? Do you go to school on Friday? Do you go to school on Friday?
yes.
Yes, I do. Why do you like Friday then? Do you go to swimming? Do you go to swim?
No.
No? Okay, fine. All right, so now let's move on. Here I have some cards, okay? I'll show them to you and ask you a few questions, okay? Now, can you please tell me why is he big and strong?
Mm,
Why is he big and strong?
because she likes me.
Because he is a man. Why is she reading a book?
Because she likes bread.
She likes to read because she likes to read. You don't listen to me in the classroom. That's why. Why does she wear a dress?
Because she likes a bird.
Because she is a girl. Very good. Are you a boy or a girl? Hmm? Are you a boy or a girl?
Tiger.
I am a girl. Why do they want the ball?
So can
So they can
play again.
play a game. Very good. Why do you come to English class? Hmm?
Huh?
Why do you come to English class? So I can learn English. Say, so I can learn English. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Now here I have a few cards for you to read, okay?
Yes.
There we go. Here is your pointer and you read the cards.
Yes.
Go.
Run, tap, run. Run to me.
Very good.
Can he run? Yes, he can.
Very good. Do you know what punctuation mark is it?
Maybe.
No, this one.
Yes. Maybe.
This one is period. This one,
Question mark.
question mark. And this one,
Yes.
comma.
Come on.
Comma, okay? Thank you. Now here I show you some letters, okay? You tell me what letter is it and how many sounds does the letter make. Go.
Letter T. What's that?
Good.
Letter V. What's that?
Good.
Letter I force a
Very good. Speak up, okay? Here we
yes.
have one more poem for you, okay? Can you please read the title and the poem?
Doctor, I see the doctor. The doctor sees me. He looked into my eye. Now water he sees.
Very good. Now, please tell me, what do we need between two words? What do we need between two words? Space.
Yes.
Space. We need a space between two words. Very good. Can you point all the capital letters in the poem?
Yes.
Can you point big letter? Point big letter and name the letter. Point big letter. What letter is big? Look. Yes. What's this letter? Letter D. Letter I.
Letter T. Letter S. Letter N.
N. Okay. Very good. Now let's move on. We have a story. Do you like to read stories? We have a story right now. Can you?
Right now.
Very good. Speak up, okay?
What
It's okay. You just say, what do
do
you see?
I see a fire. Where is the fire? The fire up my eye. Who do you want? I want a fire. Why do you want him? To put a fire. Want to him. Why now?
Yes, very good. You have done a good job. Now speak up, okay? Speak up.
What do you see? I see another. Where is another? The nether of the
On the table.
Who do you want? I want my carrier. Where do you want him? To the to you him. Why now?
Speak up.
What do you see? I see a bird. Where is a bird? The bird is at my Who do you want? I want a bus driver. Who do you want him to send me home? Where do you need him? Where now? What do you see? I see the hair. Where in the hair? The in the school. Who do you want? I want a bus
Police officer. Why do you want him? To help the drivers. When do you need him?
Why now? What do you see? I see me. Where are you?
I'm in my bed. I'm in my bed. Who do you want?
I want a doctor. When do you need him? To
To make me well.
When do you need him? Why now? What do you see? I see a teacher. Where is a teacher? A teacher. What is a teacher? Miss me. Where do you need to teach me? Why do you need? Why now?
Why don't you speak up? The end. Who is your English teacher? Who is your English teacher?
Mm,
Do you know my name? Who is your English teacher?
Teacher. Teacher.
Teacher Nick. Why do you need teacher Nick? Hmm?
Teacher.
Yeah, why do you need teacher Nick?
Teacher.
Yeah, why do you need me? To teach me English. Okay, now I have a riddle for you, okay? I grow the food that people eat. Now, who do you think I am?
I am Sophie.
Do you grow the food?
I
I grow the food that people eat. Now, who do you think I am? Who grow the food? Who grows the food?
am Noodle.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Farmer grows the food.
I'm a banana.
Okay, I eat bananas and climb trees. Now, who do you think I am?
No.
Monkey.
No.
All right, thank you so much. Our speaking time is over for today, and we are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, sir.
See
Goodbye,
you again.
teacher. See you again.